How to know who is stalking you on Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are also interested in to know who is stalking you on Facebook, so first thing what you want to do is just head over to your Facebook page and just click on your profile section. And the first thing what you need to do is just make sure you have already turned on the professional mode. And to do that, you can just tap on this three dot icon over here. And as you can see, I've already turned the professional mode on. You can just tap on this on professional mode on button over here, and it's showing turn professional mode off because I've already turned it on. As you can see, I've enabled the professional mode. That's why it's showing this professional dashboard. Now simply tap on this professional dashboard over here, and once you're inside here, just select this insights section from the top navigation bar, and you can basically see all of the interaction over here and how many followers over here, as well as how many people have viewed your profile. But you cannot directly see which people have visited your profile section, and that is exactly what you can see, but you cannot, or you are not able to see the exact people pages or people profile directly, because this functions or this feature has not been allowed from the Facebook itself due to respect to the privacy policy of the people. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.